Hello. This is not my usual spot. I'm at the Birch Hotel in Selsdon, I think it's called. I'm here on a little staycation with Pokemon to celebrate the launch of the new Pokemon Sleep. I went to Pokemon Day with the Pokemon team back in February and saw the teaser for Pokemon Sleep, and it sounds really interesting. So they've invited me along to their kind of press event to discover what Pokemon Sleep is and all about it. So we're here in Selsdon, which is South Croydon, in this crazy hotel. It's so nice. The room that I'm staying in is lovely. So I'm super excited. If you follow me over on Instagram, TikTok, you know I do a lot of stuff with Pokemon all the time. I've been a huge Pokemon fan since I was little and still to this day. So I feel really privileged to be able to come here and do a little Pokemon event for Pokemon Sleep. So yeah, I thought I'd start this vlog here and take you guys along with me to see what we get up to. If you're a Pokemon fan, then you'll like this. If you're not a Pokemon fan, then skip ahead. But yeah, I've just refreshed and judged myself a bit because the journey here was a bit crazy. But now I'm ready to go join everyone downstairs and see what's going on. So let's go. So Pokemon are taking us on a foraging walk. Maz just ate a leaf.
I also ate a leaf. We don't know how long we've got left.
Yeah, we're seeing how long they're going to survive right now.
Foraging walk and find
Take one for the I ate it. It was great.
So cute. Hello. Oh, can you hear me if I hold the phone like this? Hello, guys. So we had a fun evening of Pokemon quizzes, hot chocolate, a sound bath, meditation, and now the Pokemon team have given us Samsung Galaxies with Pokemon Sleep loaded onto it. So I'm gonna go on the app and see what it's about and use it for my night's sleep. It's the whole reason for this event. So should be fun. Okay, so I've completed setup. It was really quick. And now I want to go to sleep, so I'm going to start tracking sleep. That's not very good. Good morning, guys. Oh my god, I haven't spoken yet. You saw me go through my Pokemon Sleep app this morning, and it's so cute. I love seeing like how it knew like what kind of different sleep modes I was in, like slumbering and dozing and stuff like that, and then like rewarding me for the different areas of sleep. It's so cute, and I love checking out the sleep style decks after as well. Looks like you can get like 100 Pokemon, over 100 Pokemon in each section, maybe like 150 in the first one, 130 in another, and 100 something in the last one. So it just looks really cute. When it releases, I definitely want to download it and try and discover as many Pokemon as possible. Because like in the previews, we'd only seen mainly Kanto Pokemon. But obviously this morning when I woke up, there's like a Larvitar next to me and a Sudowoodo. So I was like, oh, this is so cute. So yeah, I'm really happy with it. We've got to go down to breakfast and give the phones back and have like a review of the sleep session. So yeah, I'll catch you in a bit. I have my goodie bag and I'm ready to go. Hey guys, it is Wednesday. Oh my god, I don't even know what day it is. Yesterday, after the Pokemon Sleep slumber party, I met Tom and Dom, my good friends, for lunch, and then came home, and that was literally it. I didn't do anything worth telling you guys about. However, now it is Wednesday the 5th of July, and I'm about to watch the 50-second Balenciaga Couture show. They actually sent me the physical invite for the live stream for this, which was really kind of them. So now I'm about to tune in and watch the 50-second Couture show, which I'm very excited about. The first look. The flying bow. I'm dead. So hairy. Oh my. Feed the beast, mama. Feed the beast. Yes. Okay, so the couture show just finished, the 50-second couture show. My absolute favourite look from the whole collection was the very last one. Eliza Douglas was wearing this like suit of armour in a way, suit of armour dress. I love the whole collection, obviously it was beautiful. I think my favourite menswear piece was like a snakeskin blazer. I wish there had been more pieces of armour throughout the whole collection to kind of like tie it all together, but that last piece like blew me away. And I did really like the way that they use like, they did a t-shirt like a few seasons ago, like it's got like wires in it, which means you can like sculpt it to any kind of like shape or form. And they've obviously used that in the coats and the scarves and the bows to make it look like kind of windswept, which is really cool. But yeah, it was very, very nice, very beautiful collection. And yeah, that final piece, gagged. Hello guys, it's now Thursday. I'm going to shoot some sponsored content and outfits with my best friend and photographer, Tom. Threads just got released here in the UK. So if you want to follow me on Threads, go ahead and do that. It seems like a more wholesome Twitter at the moment, but I think it has the same community guidelines as Instagram, so I can't be completely unhinged at the moment. Just trying to like feel it out because I don't want to get banned off either app. But it's really fun, so if you don't have it, you should get it. Exciting thing about today, I get to shoot the new Arcana Ghost shorts. Designed these shorts, actually designed this ghost face when I first moved to London in 2014, and it's finally re-emerged and finally on a piece of clothing, which I'm so happy about. They're like short shorts made of nylon for summer. They've got mesh lining. This is metallic. The ghost face is a metallic print. They're £85, available in size extra small to extra large, and they're online tonight on arcana.co.uk, so go check them out. My room is a mess, but master boots, weekday shorts, Balenciaga blazer, Arcana hoodie and vest. Not me being the worst vlogger in the entire world. I'm not going to apologise because that's just what's happened. I feel like when I'm not on a trip and when I'm not doing something very specific, everything just goes out the window. I just film anything and everything and also nothing at the same time. So we are next week now. So I did the Pokemon Sleep event, the Balenciaga show, the Couture show was incredible. Threads came out. Threads is amazing. I'm really loving posting on there. It just feels like a very like non-serious place to be on social media right now. I think as a content creator for such a long time as well, like there's a certain pressure that comes with posting to like Instagram and TikTok and YouTube even, whereas on Threads it just feels very like silly, which I really need right now. What else was I gonna say? Oh yeah, I got a new bag. That's why I wanted to like round off this vlog with like the bag, I guess. Also, the Ghost shorts released, and I am so happy. I've been being tagged and stuff all morning from you guys of people receiving their little shorts. They're the perfect summer short. I've been wearing them non-stop, especially in the heat wave we have in London right now. So yeah, if you do purchase a pair, don't forget to like tag me and arcane.co.uk over on Instagram. Only a handful of sizes left in extra small and extra large. So if you are either of those sizes and you're thinking of getting a pair, I would be fast because they're going to be gone. And finally, to round off this vlog, I want you to say hi to my new little baby, and she is the belt baguette bag from a brand called Hoda Kova. I've seen these going around on Instagram for such a long time. I think the first time I saw them is because they did the Gucci Vault collaboration, so they made these bags out of Gucci belt buckles and bags, which is crazy. So they are made from old leather belts with old belt buckles, so every single bag is different and unique, which is really, really cool. This is so beautiful. So to get inside, you lift off the belt buckles. So inside here you have the zip, and then inside, you have two little pockets here to put your stuff. It is on the smaller side of a bag, but that's what I really wanted for summer. So I feel like I have my Balenciaga Super Busy bag, which is also like a sling bag, but it's huge because it's the large one. So this is like a smaller size that I can just fit under my arm with outfits, especially like this vest in summer. This vest is an Arcana sample. It's going to be released mid-August in black and white, which I'm very excited about. I've been working on these vests for a long time. You might have seen them in my reels and YouTube videos for ages. But yeah, I'm so happy with this little Hoda Kova bag. The brand is really cool. They make a lot of sustainable pieces, so you should definitely check them out. I'll leave their Instagram tagged in the, it's not a caption. I will leave a link to them in the description box below. But yeah, I just think it's stunning. I'd love to hear what you guys think of this Hoda Kova bag. I can't wait to start using it. And that's all I have to say really on this. I mean, I only wear silver jewelry, so I knew that I wanted a bag with like black and silver. I've been looking for a bag for a really long time, like an everyday kind of bag, but has a bit of an edge to it, which I feel like this really does, and I absolutely love it. Yeah, it just goes with like my entire wardrobe already, so I don't even have to think about things. And I do have a few bags already that are mainly black, but not black and silver, and this is like heavy on the hardware, which I absolutely love. So yeah, I'm just obsessed. I feel like you should definitely check out this brand. You should definitely buy a bag. They do different sizes too. They did do a bigger, larger one, but I just wanted something cute. I thought I'd give you a little close-up because she's just too beautiful to ignore. So she's got two belts that act as the strap on the top. She's got all these different belt buckles. This one is, I saw the brand, it's J. Lindeberg. I can't really say that, but I thought that was quite cool. I don't know actually what this is from. I wonder if it says it. No. It's like a tiger with a T. If anyone knows what this is, please let me know. And also this one seems to be a brand or something of some sort, but I can't really make out what that is. I just think it looks so aesthetically pleasing. Like I'm so happy with it. Look at the way it's all stitched together. Like this is so cool. Just realized I haven't signed off. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.